Welcome back to the IELTS Secrets podcast. Today, we're diving into the second part of the speaking exam, the cue card. Let's take a look at the cue card for this episode. Describe what you think would be the perfect holiday. You should say where it would be, what activities you would do, how long it would last, and explain why this holiday would be perfect for you. Now that we know what we're discussing, let's explore the best speaking techniques to maximize your score. To structure your response effectively, it's crucial to use a clear template. Let's break it down. Start by introducing your response with, I suppose the best holiday for me would be, and then indicate where for 2 reasons. This sets the stage for your explanation. Next, use firstly to present your first reason. For example,
Firstly, I would love to visit Japan because of its rich culture and delicious cuisine.
transition smoothly to secondly and explain your second reason. For instance,
Secondly, I'm drawn to the idea of exploring historical sites and experiencing traditional tea ceremonies.
now describe the exciting activities you would do on this holiday. Use the template, the most exciting activities this holiday would include, and mention specific activities such as visiting temples, trying sushi making classes, or attending cultural festivals. Personalize your response by stating, I would be personally involved in them. This demonstrates your enthusiasm and engagement with the proposed activities. Explain why this holiday would be perfect for you. Use this template, I would enjoy because, and elaborate on the aspects of the holiday that appeal to you the most, such as learning about a new culture, trying new foods, or immersing yourself in history. Estimate the duration of the holiday. Use the template, I would imagine, or I would hope this holiday would last for, and specify the length of time, such as 2 weeks or a month. Justify the chosen duration with, this amount of time would be enough for, and describe what you hope to accomplish or experience during this period, whether it's exploring multiple cities, attending various events, or fully embracing the culture. Conclude by highlighting the most fascinating part of this holiday for you. Use the template. The most fascinating part of this holiday for me would be, and explain what aspect of the holiday would excite you the most, whether it's the blend of tradition and modernity, the opportunity for personal growth, or the chance to create lasting memories. And there you have it. By following this structured template and incorporating specific details and reasons into your response, you can effectively tackle the cue card task and maximize your speaking score. Remember to practice and send your audio responses to our website for expert evaluation and personalized feedback.